how to deactivate your Instagram account and activate it again. So guys, I'll show you a fast and easy method. Let's get started. To deactivate your account, you need to open any browser. Don't go into the app. Then log in to your Instagram if you haven't already. Then go to your profile. Now from here, tap the settings icon at the top left side. Then go to the account center option. Now scroll down and go into the manage account option. Then select manage. Now choose deactivation or deletion. From here, select deactivate account. Now scroll down and tap continue. Now enter your password. Then tap continue. Here guys, select any option, like I'll pick the first one. Then scroll down and tap continue. Before continuing, you can also set how many days you want to keep your account deactivated. And if you select days here, your account will automatically reactivate after that time. For now, I'm choosing 7 days. Tap continue again. To confirm, select deactivate account. Now to activate your account again, Instagram will automatically show your account. Just tap continue here. Now enter your email or phone number and password and log in. Now Instagram will ask for your phone or email, so just enter it. Then tap continue. Then you'll get a verification code, paste it here and tap continue. Then your deactivated Instagram account will be active again. Still got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.